Introduction. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a commonly used standard for data interchange on the web. Python includes a built-in module named Json to work with JSON data. Understanding JSON. JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. JSON is text written with JavaScript object notation. JSON data is represented in a logical, human-understandable format and is primarily used to transmit data between a server and web applications. Python JSON module. The built-in Python module JSON can convert Python objects into JSON strings and vice versa. It provides two methods for this purpose, json.dumps and json.loads. The json.dumps function converts a Python object into a JSON string. Example provided shows conversion of a Python dictionary into a JSON string using json.dumps. The json.loads function converts a JSON string into a Python object. Example provided shows conversion of a JSON string into a Python dictionary using json.loads. Tips and tricks. json.dumps turns a Python object into a JSON string, whereas json.loads turns a JSON string into a Python object. Ensure that JSON data is correctly formatted to avoid parsing errors. Common error-prone cases. A common error when working with JSON in Python is the json.decoder.json decode error, which occurs when trying to parse incorrectly formatted JSON strings. Example provided shows how a JSON string enclosed in single quotes instead of double quotes results in a json.decoder.json decode error. How to avoid errors. Always validate JSON data before trying to parse it using online JSON validators. Handle exceptions using a try-except block to avoid program crashes during JSON parsing. Our conclusion, parsing JSON data in Python is straightforward thanks to the JSON module. Understanding json.dumps and json.loads is essential for working with JSON data. Always validate JSON data and handle exceptions to avoid common errors.